What's up? This is a 2002 YZ125. It was a customer that came to me and said that it wouldn't really start, and when it would, when I was actually trying to start it up, it was rough kicking over, and also when it attempted to start, it made like a weird sound, like a bottom end screech, pretty much. So what I did to it is I split the engine, put a new crank in there, new bottom end bearings, all new gaskets, stuff like that. It's on my Instagram. I'll leave it in the description if you want to check that out, just like the process of going through it. Looks like this guy had a Athena head with the Athena cylinder as well, and it looked like there was a Athena piston in there too. So yeah, I just started it up just to make sure everything was good, and yeah, I'm gonna turn the bike around. All right, so here's the other side. So there's a little oil residue just from filling it up. I spilled some, but yeah, so when I started it up, it sounded like, you know, there was no muffler on it, like a straight pipe pretty much. So like all the exhaust is coming out here, and the muffler probably needs to be packed too, but I'm just gonna tell the guy that. But the main thing is that it starts up, and there's no really issues with that. So I'm gonna fire it up so you guys can hear it, and yeah. So yeah, that's it running. The idle's really low, but I'm not gonna really mess with that because I'm not gonna mess with it. Also, it's cold, so it could just need to be warmed up, and then it'll idle. But yeah, so there's the 2002 YZ125 that has a new crank in it, new gaskets. It was split, new bottom end bearings, obviously. So I'm gonna have videos of it running on my Instagram page too. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for this one, so peace.